ViroiDoc Doctoral Network offers exciting projects on viroids, the smallest plant pathogens, and viroid-like RNAs. You will also work with partner laboratories and companies involved in plant breeding and plant protection in Argentina, the Czech Republic, Germany, Poland, and Spain.
Your profile. You have a university degree, master's or equivalent in plant biology, genetics, cell biology, bioinformatics, biochemistry, chemistry, or related discipline. What can you expect? A competitive salary, opportunity to undertake a PhD in one of Europe's top research centers, excellent monitoring and career support, opportunity to work in an interdisciplinary international environment with excellent equipment, infrastructure, and workspaces. You will have an opportunity to participate in the Marie Curie Action. Apply by 25th of April 2025. More information at www.viroiddoc.eu.